we are going to look at a discussion, starting a discussion in your class. So you have already logged on Canvas, you're in your dashboard, you're choosing the class that you would like to create a discussion in. So you're going to click on the discussions hyperlink, and then you will be able to see all of your previous discussions from this class down here. And then you will be able to create an add discussion. So click on the add discussion button. You're going to make the topic. So if the topic is geometry, and then you're able to start your discussion. So what is geometry is going to be our question. You also can add any of the things in your rich text editor. You can choose which sections, you can choose to upload a file, and then you have several options. Allow threaded replies, user must post before seeing other replies, enable podcast feed. This is graded, so if you assign your students to respond to two other students' answers, allow for liking if you're going to allow your students to like other students' posts, and then you can add this to the students' to-do list. You can choose this as a group discussion or not a group discussion, and then give it an available time from and till. All right, let's try to make one of these discussions on your own in your course. Always make sure, remember, that you hit save at the end so that you can see, here is my discussion. It's for all sections. And then if I need to edit that, I'll hit the edit button. If I need to reply to myself, I can do that also from this menu. All right, give it a try.